This video is supported by LEVO. Yo, what's good everybody? Bass drop keys, your Philly neighborhood Negro, and me and my great friends at LEVO want to wish you and your family a happy holidays. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at LEVO's Organic Brownie Mix. Now, if you're not aware, LEVO has different edible baking bundles on their site. They have things from chocolate chip cookie mix to pancake and waffle mix. They even have some granola mixes on their site. So after you watch this video, if you decide to get one of the bundles or anything else off the LEVO site, I do have a 10% discount code in the description box. Click the link, use my code to get 10% off any order at levooil.com. Alright, well let's get into making these brownies. As we look at the directions on the back of the box, you can see that the first thing that we need to do is we need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease and flour an 8x8 pan. I already turned on the oven, it's preheating right now, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I have this non-stick spray that I'm spraying in the 8x8 pan. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some flour in there. Just hit it around so that way it flours the bottom and the sides. Once you do that, set your pan to the side and let's go to the next step. The next step is we're gonna add 3 eggs to a mixing bowl. That's pretty easy. Next, you're gonna add a ½ cup of infused butter or oil. I'm using this beautiful oil that we made with the LEVO right here on the channel. Look how beautiful it is. But I'm taking a ½ cup and I'm gonna put it in there with the eggs. After that, I'm gonna continue to follow the directions. It says to whisk the eggs and our infused oil together. So you see I have a whisk and we're gonna follow the directions. After that, I need to stir in the brownie mix. It's really easy to do. You don't have to beat it real hard whenever you stirring it in. Just keep folding it over and it'll be ready in about 3 or 4 minutes. Now that I have that done, I'm going to spread the batter in the pan, just trying to make sure that it's even. Once I do that, I'm going to put it inside the oven and we're going to bake it for 30 minutes. The directions say 28 to 33 minutes. I'm going to put my timer on 30 minutes after I put the brownie mix inside the oven, and I'll see you guys in 30. All right, so it's been 30 minutes. To check the brownies, all I did was the toothpick test, and that's whenever you take a toothpick or a knife, a fork, something, stick it in the middle of the brownie mix. Whenever you pull it out, if it's clean, it's done. If the toothpick has crumbs on it, you need to let it cook for a couple more minutes. But after 30 minutes, my brownies were done. So I got it outside of the oven now, turn the oven off. I'm going to give it 15 minutes to cool. I'll see you right after that. All right, so I let it cool for 20 minutes just to make sure. Now that it's cool, I'm going to go ahead and cut it. Once I cut it, it was super easy to pull out of the pan. So if you follow the directions on back of the box, you're going to get some great, delicious brownies. Because as you guys can see, as I'm cutting it into pieces, I did go ahead and get me a little taste. It tastes great. But now you want to cut it into whatever pieces that you want to cut it into. These brownies are just for me, so you can see the serving size that I decided to go with. If you want to get real creative with it, you could add some chocolate or marshmallow or M&Ms or whatever you want to do. Me, myself, I like fudge brownies just like this. You guys know that I made a bunch of box brownies right here on the channel. I also showed you how to do it from scratch. I love brownies, and these fudge brownies right here taste great. I love it when it's kind of like gooey on the inside a little bit, but flaky on the top. This is exactly how these brownies are, so I'm super happy with these brownies, and trust me, I'm going to put them to good use. All right, guys, well, that's going to do it for today's video. Do I recommend the LEVO brownie mix? Most definitely. If you follow the directions on back of the box, you're gonna get some delicious, potent brownies. Speaking on potency, make sure that whatever infused oil or butter that you use, make sure that it's nice and potent. If you do that, you're gonna have some fantastic infused brownies. I really appreciate you guys spending a little time with me today. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section. I really appreciate all of you. And until I see you guys the next time, peace and Good eats. I'm out, guys. Much love.